Hey guys, this is Jatin with Rockro. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting startup video presentation. A startup that is focusing on resolving business problems. Now those businesses could be of different type. Could be HR, could be IT, could be sales, could be data management, could be handling customer queries. They have the solution for each and every vertical. Hence, we're going to decode the B2B SaaS model of Freshworks, be it in the form of their business model, revenue model, or what is there for their clients, the problem and challenges that this startup is facing and how they can overcome it. Everything gonna be discussed today. Now, who is my target audience for this particular video? Two. One, basically the job seekers who are looking for job and internship opportunities. The way I'm going to elaborate you the business model, revenue model, the challenges, what is there for their clients in this particular video presentation. And if you present this sort of video presentation, this sort of presentation to the CEO, to the HR of Freshworks, then the job at which you would be applying for will be yours. So here you can scan through the job openings that they have in form of sales, revenue, IT, software, product deck. Here you can see their career page as well. They have opening in engineering, finance and legal, GTM, sales and other domains. So what a company expect from you when you are applying for a certain role is not just your resume, not just your cover letter and a good email writing skills. You must know about the company as well, and this video presentation is going to focus on that. Also, if you are willing to explore some other startups as well, so we have a dedicated playlist for Explore Startup Hub, where you are applying for any company, be it in the form of urban company, CureFit, Wemboo. We have discussed a lot of video startups. If you want me to prepare a startup video presentation on any specific company, then you can let me know in the comment as well. For the time being, let's focus on decoding how Freshworks is solving business problems for different businesses and enterprises. A quick introduction to Freshworks, a software suite that is intuitive and easy to use to have a happy and engaged workforce, who in turn help you build a create lasting relationship with customers for life. This is their basic agenda. Their basic agenda is to resolve customer queries in real time so that your happy customers becomes your long lasting relationship customers and help you build up your revenue pipeline as well. Founder Mr. Girish, who basically started this platform as Fresh Desk back in 10th June 2010. Top services they are into every sort of business problems, be it in the form of improving customer experience, improving sales and marketing, improving IT services, HR management, and some specific tools as well. Target sector, so they are into every type of businesses wherever there is some sort of problem with respect to query management and with respect to the ticketing system. They are into those specific sectors. Milestone that they have achieved, $399 million funding that they have raised till date. They are claiming to have $200 million annual recurring revenue, $3.5 billion valuation, 40,000 plus paying customers. They have presence worldwide. Currently this startup is booming like anything. Top notch services, the notch services are basically split into four parts. One is the customer experience, where they have a different varieties offering, be it in the form of Fresh Desk, a ticketing management software, Fresh Chat, where you can chat and resolve your customer query, Fresh Caller via call, Fresh Success, and different domains. Same goes for your sales and marketing, where they provide you AI enabled CRM to manage data, to call prospects, to email them, to manage your sales and marketing efforts, everything from a single platform. Then we have IT and HR. Wherever you see there are some queries coming in, they provide you with a ticketing management software, a query management software, to basically help you drop down the queries and improve the customer satisfaction. Same goes for your IT HR, same goes for your other tools with respect to the fresh ping and fresh status as well. So they have a lot of varieties and offering. You can basically learn more about them with respect to each and every vertical by visiting freshworks.com. When it comes to Freshworks for clients, though, why they have a lot of 40,000 paying plus customers, because they make their end client happy. Because for example, I have a query with respect to my order and I visited Amazon, and if Amazon is not providing me instant resolution, then the next time I may not order from Amazon. I'm going to switch to Flipkart or any other provider. Hence, your happy customers are a major requirement for any company. And Freshwork is basically providing you happy customers by providing a holistic approach in terms of resolving your customer queries. Boost revenue. Happy customer not only just get retained on your platform, they also refer you to other users as well. I can refer to my mother, to my uncle, auntie, to my friends that yes, Amazon has a best customer support, best product, best everything. Hence, you should purchase everything from Amazon only. Same goes for one-stop ticketing platform. What generally happen, the customer query resolution is not just one-to-one communication. What usually used to happen earlier, whenever I have a query, I'm gonna reach out to the company via call, via chat, or via email, and it's basically gonna be one-to-one conversation. But nowadays it's like one is to everyone, where we tweet on social media, we post on different forums, and we show it to the other users as well that this company is not a good company, do not purchase from them. But what if it happened like this? If I post it on Twitter, if I post it on any forum, and I get instant response from the company that please let me know your order ID, we are processing your request right away. This will not only make me happy, other followers of mine on Twitter, who are basically following me, can see that yes, this company has a best support. They resolve their customer queries instantly. Hence, this is a good platform. So they provide one-stop ticketing platform. You can create a ticket on their website, on social media, on different forums. They're gonna club them up and gonna provide you the one-stop case management tool so that they can evaluate all the queries and resolve it as well. Cloud based, no hardcore installation would be required. It's a B2B SaaS platform, hence everything would be on the AWS server that they are currently using. Next we have is the revenue model. $200 million recurring annual revenue. How do they earn? They earn via license base, where you basically pick a module of interest. Let's say Fresh Desk, Fresh Chat, Fresh CRM, or any other module of your interest, and accordingly you need to pay. They are upselling as well, where they provide you, let's say, a startup free trial, and they basically gonna track how frequently you're using it, or any paid feature you might be requiring in order to improve your customer support further. So those sort of upselling could be there. There are add-ons as well. For example, you use their simple case management tool. In the later future, they can propose you a chatbot that can integrate with your website to use a fresh chat service. In addition to Fresh Desk, you can use Fresh Chat as well. So it's kind of a add-ons they can also provide you in parallel to what they're currently providing. So what I'm trying to deliver here is, if you have any HR related questions around what Freshworks do, what is there for the customers, their revenue model, you should be able to answer it right away. Not only just interview related questions. If you are a startup lover planning to have your own startup, then these sort of information comes really handy as well. Next we have is possible challenges. This is a very important slide. Let me tell you why. Generally what happen, during interviews, interviewer sometimes ask you a lot of tough questions for which you may or may not be having an answer. To balance things out, you can ask some tough questions to the interviewer as well. But before that, always ask for a permission for asking such questions. So the type of questions you can ask are, what I was reading about the business model of Zoho, Zendesk. I believe that purely into our same verticals. So how are we planning to counter that competition that we are getting from these leaders in this particular domain? Then AI tech solutions, their response time is very, I would say, high. So I myself have basically asked them a question on their YouTube channel, and also on their social media, regarding how Freshwork is different from Haptic. Okay, because Haptic also provide customer support, instant support, but I haven't received any response yet. So their response time is bit low. It's for their own business. I'm not sure how much is the response time for the other businesses that they support. So response time is something that they need to work on. Then we have is tech support. Their tech support is also not too good. I was reviewing their I was reading their reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, and get to know there are a lot of reviews where customers have saying that we do not receive instant tech support if we get stuck anywhere. So this is also a parameter that they can work on. Then cyber attacks. Cyber attacks are very much common, especially for the tech-based, SaaS-based model, where their customer data can be leaked out. So how are we countering that? You are basically trying to engage the end interviewer, so that it should be a two-way conversation rather than a one-way discussion only. So make sure you are using these slides and you are preparing such sort of presentation when you are preparing for an interview. Okay, so if you need any help with respect to applying for that applying for different roles that company is having, then we have a dedicated workshop on our website. If you have to scroll down, where we have discussed on how you can easily crack any job opportunity. Today we have just discussed how using presentation you can apply to a company. On workshop we're going to discuss how you can prepare resumes, cover letter, formal emails, how you can build a LinkedIn profile with respect to job descriptions using AI tools, how you can ensure and 100% HR interview call, how you can do social selling, means how you can interact with people on LinkedIn, be it in the form of HR, CEO of different companies. Everything has been discussed. One important thing, you will be able to get their email IDs, their phone numbers. You can do some advanced level automation on LinkedIn. So everything has been discussed. Best thing is it's everything is free of cost. All you need to do is just click in here and register for it. So if you guys have any questions with respect to Freshworks, you can let me know in the comment. If there is any other startup you guys want me to focus on, please let me know in the comment section. I will be getting back to you guys in no time. So thank you so much for your active participation. I will be preparing another startup video presentation very soon. Till then, namaskar.